Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a really quick project share that I wanted to show you guys. I mentioned that I had joined a couple of swaps recently, and I did join Scrapdaworld's Christmas winter themed shape gift tag swap, and I have completed my gift tags, and I will show you guys what I made and how I packaged everything up. First off, let me share the paper that I used for this project, and it is the Sugar Plums paper stack, the 12 by 12 stack that I had got from the Michaels Hot Buy that I shared with y'all in a recent video. Anyway, so this is the paper that I used for the project, and I also used a few ephemera pieces by the Snow and Cocoa line that I will also show you. What else? It's just super, I guess my packaging and everything is kind of basic. I'm still working on it. I have a lot to learn, but that's why I have been wanting to join more swaps. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm just gonna share with you guys how I did package up my swap, what I made. Okay, so as an embellishment, so as an extra little goodie that I'm sending to each one of my swap partners and also the hostess, I made these cute chunky rosettes. I love to make these rosettes. They're super simple, just basically layering two different sizes of rosettes and other die cuts and ephemera pieces, bling. I also used some of that eyelash trim, that iridescent sparkly one that I shared with you guys that I got recently from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. So anyway, I made two rosettes to send to each one of my partners, and this is just the extra. This is not a part of the swap. But I made this pretty gold one. This rosette right here kind of reminds me of a snowflake, so I just thought that was perfect. And I also used those Tim Holtz rosette dies to layer on there. If you guys watched my Halloween embellishment video, I showed you some Halloween rosettes that's pretty similar to this. Pretty much if I'm making a rosette, whether it be crepe paper or cardstock or regular paper, they're gonna be pretty much along the same kind of lines. I'm still learning on how to layer different pieces to my rosettes, but I just really love this. This is a little die cut that I showed you the die from. I think it was on clearance at Hobby Lobby, this little piece in the middle, and then I just added this bling piece on top. And then here I used some of those little Tim Holtz stickers. This one says Making Spirits Bright, and then this one says Peace on Earth, and that came from this little booklet here by Tim Holtz. So that's where I got those little word stickers from. And so I just basically, I didn't add any extras like fluff or anything to dress this little package up, because it's gonna be packaged up together in with the tag that I made. So this is how this one will be packaged. I just backed them on just a piece of the paper that came from the collection. And this cardstock that I used to make these rosettes, the one on the bottom is just some glitter cardstock from my stash, also from one of the Hot Buy pads from Michaels. And then this one is from some gold metallic cardstock that I ordered from off of Amazon. The two smaller rosettes that are layered came from one of the sheets from the paper collection. And I'm going to show you guys paper collection, you know those sheets that come in your 12 by 12 paper collections, and you kind of like, I'm not really sure what I can use that on, like the ones with the big pictures. Let me see if I have any more, so I can show you guys what I did. I probably used them all up, but basically they're those really huge, like this, okay, the really huge images on the 12 by 12 paper that I never know what I'm gonna do with those. So the image is too large to make it out of a card, and then if I cut it up, then it's cutting up the words. But if I cut it in strips to make rosettes out of, you don't even see this image, but you do get the colors on your rosette from the paper collection. So I used for those small rosettes, I use pages like this that I wouldn't be able to use like to make a card or something. So that's a little tip right there. So these rosettes right here are basically from one of those large images, and you can't even tell. It's just a rosette that has the gold, the blues, the pinks on there. Those are all like big words that were on a large image from the paper collection, but you can't tell if you make them into a rosette. So that's another way to use those big pages that you're just not really sure what you want to use it for. So that's what I did. So this is my extra goodie to my swap partners. Sorry, I keep repeating myself. I have a bad habit of doing that. So let me get to the tag. I think it's really cute for this swap. Tamika changed the rules a little bit. She did not want any Christmas tree tags, any skate tags, or any snowman tags, any basic shapes like regular circles, squares, rectangles, or tag shaped tags coming in. She said because in previous swaps they have gotten multiple of the same kind of tags, so she just wanted to change it up a little bit. So for my tag, this is my first time participating in this particular swap by her. She's been hosting this one for several years, I believe, like maybe 7 or more. I can't remember exactly, but she has been hosting this shape tag swap for a long time, so I'm glad I was able to get in on this one. Like I said, I'm pretty kind of new to swapping, and you know how people do those really fancy packaging and stuff like that. I'm still trying to work on that. I'm pretty much clean and simple, kind of basic when it comes to that. But anyway, I'm just rambling on. Let me show you my tag. I think it's really cute. I use my Cricut and Design Space to cut out the template for this tag. I made this cute little snow globe tag. I think it's so cute, and it has that faux snow mix in there, so it's like a little shaker snow globe. And I used on the inside of there, I used little ephemera pieces from the Snow and Cocoa line. Otherwise, all the rest of this paper is from the collection I share with you guys. The base of the snow globe, I cut this paper out from a stack that I got from Hobby Lobby that has all different color, like wood grain papers. Let me show y'all. So I use this one. I love this paper. You get multiple different colors of like the wood grain, and I love it. And this is 110 pounds, so it's pretty sturdy. So that is what I use for the base of my little tag. So each tag had to have a hang element, and I use my gold stretch cord as my hang element, in case you want to just hang it around the like a bag handle, and you can just put it through and then, you know, hang it from your bag handle and it stretches. Also use one of these really pretty glitter poinsettias that I got in a embellishment pack, I think from Tuesday Morning, a year or two ago. I think they're by Little Birdie Crafts. I'm not 100% sure, but I used that. And then I also used some ribbon, because you had to include 2 embellishments on your tag and also a sentiment. And I used one of those little gold sentiments that says wish, and I just put that on front. So it's really clean and simple, but I think it's really pretty. And it's basically like a little snow globe, and it's, you know, dimensional. I got it 2 layers there. Yeah, so that is how my tags look. On the back I have stamped to and from, because they each have to have to and from on there where the recipient can use them for actual, you know, gift giving. So that is my share for this particular swap. Now I'm going to show you guys how I packaged it. Yeah, I think it's pretty clean and simple how I packaged it. I didn't go overboard with adding all the little extra shred and stuff in there. I mean, I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it, y'all, the packaging, but I really love this tag. And I'm thinking about making a few more tags like this in like the traditional colors as well, because this year for Christmas I wanted to do buffalo plaid as far as wrapping my gifts, and also decorating a tree. I like the buffalo plaid, so that might be what I go for when I decorate the tree. And so I may make some little tags to go on my gift bags, because I really like how this came out. Anyways, this video is probably going to be much longer than it should be, because I'm just talking. So this and this is what my swap members will receive, as well as this cute little bag with the snowflakes. And I got this from the Target dollar spot. So the way I will be packaging my tag will be inside of here. A little surprise element, unless the ladies see this video before they receive their swap package. So it'll be inside of here like this, and this will go on top. And then I used one of the Becky Higgins Project Life photo protectant sleeves, and I put the items for the swap inside of there, and I just kind of made a little pouch like that, and I used my fuse tool to fuse them together. So let me show you how it came out. So this is how they came out. So I made a little tag that has information about the swap and who it is intended for, and as you can see, I did. So this came out like a little pouch, because I didn't have any little clear bags that was large enough to fit all my items in. So I added my information about the swap. I put some of those little cute glitter foam balls in there with some shred, pink and white, and I used silver, gold, pink, and also blue balls. But as you can see, I didn't go like super overboard, so when the ladies unpackage, they could actually contain the little gift packaging fluff or shred or whatever you want to call it. They can actually reuse it. And also this pouch, you just kind of cut off the part that I've already fused, and you can still use the rest of this pouch if you want to make a mini pocket letter or, you know, anything like that. You can definitely, you know, keep this and fuse it down if you have one of those fused. So this is how my packaging came out. So I think it's cute. I think it's pretty cute. I mean, it's not like, you know, super fancy or anything, but I think it's cute, and hopefully the ladies will like what I'm sending. I do like it. I love my tag a lot, and I hope they'll enjoy and be able to use those rosettes that I made. And yeah, so that is the share for the Scrapdaworld Christmas winter theme shape tag swap. That is my contribution to my group members. And yeah, I don't know why I'm just rambling. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, and hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, just click the link below to subscribe. And feel free to comment if you have any suggestions on like packaging, or maybe any suggestions where I can get some really cute little like cellophane bags, or cute packaging ideas. You can comment below. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.